Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now you may have seen from my previous monster truck video that I have missed this item and I went to buy it. I have this, the school bus with the white crush car, Roger Dodger with the crush coupe, and I missed this and now I have bought it. It's called Haul You All. It's a pickup truck, a monster truck with 8 seats at the back. Some sort like a minibus to carry people on a ride of monster truck. But I'm not so interested in the monster truck. What I'm interested is this crash van, which I'm going to take out now. Just the van. And put the plastic bag, and there it is. And this is the crash van. Why I like it, because it has this logo which looks like the crash test logo, a circle with red, with yellow and black. So I'm bringing out my other crash cars. Of course, this is a van, so it is higher when it is flattened. They make the effect very good. You see, even they make the rear door slightly open. They mold the bumper so that it's bent. So it's the base. It's called blindsided. They mold everything to look as if it is damaged except the wheels, so you can still play it on the track. So I hope you like this review of crash cars. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.